What is going on, fam? Welcome back to Rub My Crypto. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day today, guys. We need to talk about consistently Jasmy. We're going to see some pumps coming out of Jasmy that's going to make you probably one of the wealthiest investors, guys. And I'm not talking that smack. This is no cap. We're going that $1, $50 billion market cap. Holler at your boy, Run My Crypto, guys. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button, and make sure you guys watch all the way through to the end. This is not financial advice. This is just some education to help you along the way on your cryptocurrency journey, guys. Now, what I'm going to talk about is why Jasmy is going to be so successful. So if you're invested in Jasmy, you're in the right place, guys. So we're trying to make some mega dollars off of Jasmy while we're investing. But is that going to happen, guys, in this 2024 bull run? Definitely, without a doubt, guys. I have no doubt that we're going to make some big moves, guys. We are holding at a zone that is ready to rip and tear. That means, guys, going into the future, we know that Jasmy is not going to fall below the 2 cent level because of this massive consolidation. So that means what happens is when Jasmy stays and builds this strong level of consolidation, that support level sticks. So then during the bull run, what happens is that we gradually increase. So I'm hoping that through this summer, the next 90 days, we do some legs up, going from 2 to 5 or 2 to 7 cents and doing the same thing all over again, going to 10, 12, 15 cents, doing the same thing before we rip into this parabolic run up, guys. Just looking at the charts, there is no room for more consolidation, though. I would hope that we could consolidate in retest areas, guys, but the next retest levels are super high. And what that means, guys, is the next retest levels for Jasmy are essentially at these 20 to 30 some cent levels, guys. So it's going to be crazy and daunting on me to see where Jasmy's at in the next 4 to 6 months. So let's get into this video, guys. Watch all the way through to the end. We're going to talk about some of the levels of support and the levels of resistance that Jasmy has. So I'm going to try to paint that picture for you because Jasmy is about to rip, guys, to that $1, $50 billion market cap. Watch all the way through to the end. Let's go. All right, family, I had to flip the cap, guys, because, I only get opportunities to record at night. So bear with me, guys. When I'm recording at night, it's the middle of the night. When you guys are knocked out asleep, I'm out here putting in work for Jasmy. So show some love one time, hitting that like button, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, guys. We got to get the word out, guys. I'm trying to come heavy with the Jasmy videos. I'm not shilling it, not making no money. Jasmy doesn't pay me, guys. I'm just confident that Jasmy's going to kick some behind in this 2024 bull run, guys. So what does that look like? So I essentially think that Jasmy will hit that $1 mark before we get into 2025. But why do you say that, guys? There's so much non-resistance from the point of where we're close to and where we're going to. So let's take a look at that. Let's look at that on some of the charts. So let's head over to the good old trading view. Guys, so this is the Jasmy chart, guys. Now, again, I'm going to stress this in literally every video, guys, is because, this right here, this is what we're looking at, some huge consolidation. This is beautiful, guys. This means that Jasmy is really always going to stay above this specific level right here, guys, which is around our 2 cent mark, guys. So this consolidation is going to build a huge support that we may never see Jasmy come under 0.2 cents ever, guys, and going into the next bull runs, right? So what I wanted to point out to you guys as Jasmy investors is understanding where we're at right now, right? So if we go over here and we really just draw out, right, this is that 2 cent area that we're building, that area of support. Going back to 2022, we've seen this area, and this is why we were battling so much resistance with Jasmy. Now, is that going to stick, or is it going to, what is going to happen with that? So, guys, once we get out of that area, this is where I project seeing Jasmy go to before we get into this big phenomenal bull run, guys. And this area is in the 5 cent 0.05. But here is the icing on the cake, guys. From this level, essentially from this level, guys, we do not have that much more major resistance to play, guys. We'll hit that 10 cent. There'll be a little bit of turbulence, nothing too major. Okay. And after that area, we have to look at seeing where we're going to go before we start hitting into the parabolic run. So guys, a lot of people are just saying that Jasmy really is going to reach a cap at this level, guys. And that level is essentially at around 20-25 cents. Some people say it's going to 30 cents. This is based on the most accurate short-term information from Jasmy. Now, if we look back, obviously we know that we've had a $4.49 all-time high for Jasmy, right? But when you look at the most collected data, and that's where we're at, guys, at the most collected data for Jasmy, this is just, I believe, in my opinion, this is only my opinion, the beginning of where we're going to go. So what I think is over the summer, guys, so I'm going to kind of, draw this up a little bit so you could kind of see. I think, we're going to see this point in the summertime, which is our 5 cents. Plus, I think we're going to see that 10 cent level and that 20 to 25 cent area before we get into this massive parabolic bull run. So I'm sure many people are going to say, well, why do you believe that? If that's, if that's all you got. Well, here's the deal, guys. I believe that these are just, the areas that we're looking at on the charts is kind of what, we have to go off of. But here's the deal. We're having a way different bull run than many other previous bull runs are going. So with Jasmy, I feel like we need to build these lines of structure at the 5 cents. We need to build the lines of support. We need to build that support at the 5 cent level, the 10 cent level, and the 25 cent level. And it makes a lot of sense that we could see, based on, we've looked at charts, guys. If you watch the videos from before, we've seen this chart. We talked about this chart. This chart basically shows, the levels of how the bull markets go, or the cycles of the bull market. And if we take this information and this data that we have and we compare it to what we just drew out in TradingView, you could see that there's similarities between the areas of this chart right here and the areas of the TradingView chart of how Jasmy has areas of resistance ahead of us. Now, breaking these areas of resistance, I don't think is going to be a big deal. I think the strongest area of resistance was that 2 cent level, because we have multiple months of consolidation in 2022 from where that chart displays. Now, once we get to that 25 cent level, that's where parabolic run can happen. So if we make it to that 25 cent level, we should expect to easily see Jasmy hit $1 and more beyond than that. Because if we run parabolic and we look at the comparison to the psychology of a market cycle chart, which is this one, and we compare it again to the TradingView, you could see the stages of similarity and with plenty more room to run up, guys. So I hope you guys like this video, guys. This is to help you stay focused, stay motivated, stay invested in Jasmy, guys. And if you can, guys, through these times of consolidation, it would probably be in your best interest to invest or dollar cost average into the project, guys, because dollar cost averaging is what makes millionaires. It's what makes successful investors in anything, not only cryptocurrency, but the traditional stock markets, or even buying gold periodically. If you're spending $100 or buying $100 or $200-300 worth of gold every single month, and you store it into your little storehouse, you'll see that in 10-20 years that gold will be worth tons and tons of more money, guys. So make sure you guys stay diligent with your projects. Make sure you guys watch Run My Crypto, guys. Hit that like and subscribe, guys. Check out the 10X Squad. Link is in the description, where you can partner up and talk about some strategies for this coming bull run, because time is definitely running out, and it's valuable right now. So you need to make sure you know what you're doing, guys. And then follow me on X, follow me on Twitter, X, whatever you want to call it. Link is in the description as well. If you guys got any questions, hit me up and message me there. Appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button again, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Let's get it, Jasmy. Let's go.